since I left the city. You and me, we just don't get along.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. So this week we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be doing a get ready with me, maybe doing a little chit chat, just depends. I did a poll on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you're missing out. Make sure you go follow me at @just_DJ on Instagram. But I did a poll on my Insta story and I asked, I get a lot of questions about my makeup and what I'm using, and girl, your makeup is bomb in this look and this look. I'm not a makeup artist, but I thought it would be cool if I came on and showed you guys what products I'm actually using. And then you can probably use them for yourself because like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Just some little simple things. And you also said that you wanted to see some hair, so I am gonna do, this is a 2-week update on the passion twist that I got. This is the sensational Lulu Tress passion twist braid hair, and it is still holding up beautifully. So for this get ready with me, I'm just gonna refresh it and do my edges, and I'm gonna show you guys what products I'm using. So if you want to see how this look comes out, what products I'm using, and see me do dabble in a little makeup, make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can catch more videos from your girl. Also, there's a little bell by that subscribe button. It's a notification bell, lets you know every time I upload. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. Next, I'm going in with my diamond edges. Y'all know I like diamond edges. This stuff, you can get this on their website. It's amazing. We're gonna take care of this this edge situation. Just look how just sleeking these edges up and around changes everything. I love this stuff because it lasts all day, especially in Alabama humidity. And I just love how it just makes your look, just takes it to another level. And also, I've had the twist in for a while, so I just go around my edges. Just kind of add a little bit more edge control and brush it down. So now that the edges are done, we're gonna tie that part back and out of the way because we're finna get into the face. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in, so don't be coming for me. My skin is not perfect. Okay, I don't want to hear y'all in the comments. I just washed my hands too, by the way. If ever you play in your hair before you start your makeup, make sure you go back and wash your hands. So first thing I'm gonna do is go in with my Milk Hydro, there it goes, the Milk Hydro Primer. I am almost out of this stuff, but I love it. I've loved it all summer long. I'm just gonna pump it out and apply it on my face. I love this because it feels so moisturizing, yet and still it keeps your makeup in place. So yeah. All right, y'all probably thought I was gonna come on here with some expensive foundation, but I've been loving this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is in the shade Deep Cool. I am obsessed with this foundation. I have been using Fenty before now, but and I still like my Fenty. I go to it if I'm trying to do a deeper look or a longer look, but for every day and even for a date night, this NYX is busting. Next, I'm gonna go in with Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. This stuff, I advise anybody who is new to makeup, this is the concealer you want to go to because it's not too it's full coverage. It's full coverage for me. Like, y'all about to see these dark circles like completely disappear. It's full coverage, and I like to go down my nose, on top of my eye, because I use this as an eyeshadow base as well. But I think this is the perfect like beginner concealer because it blends so well. I take my beauty blender and I just let it sit for like 2 seconds. Kind of let it dry down just a little bit because you don't want to blend it all the way out. And yeah, and I get these tips from Jackie Aina. Like, I didn't go to makeup school or anything like that. Jackie Aina, Makeup by Shayla, all of them, you know, give really good makeup tips. So if you're new to makeup, definitely, it's just like hair, you know, go and practice it, get on YouTube and do all those things, like, and just practice it for yourself. And I'm quite sure you'll be surprised at what you can actually do on your own. Ooh, child. I didn't think this was gonna be that much hard work, but it is. I'm like over here like, whoo, trying to get it. All right, so normally I set my under eye with my Laura Mercier, but I have been reaching for this new Becca, what's the name of this? Set and Refresh powder. I love this stuff. I love how it feels up under my eye. And I just kind of put a little on my brush. It kind of feels like you're putting water on your face. And I just literally go in and kind of, y'all saw that? Y'all saw that disappearing ad? Girl, you better see how I've been liking it. I love how this feels up under my eye. Absolutely amazing. Yes, so for the rest of my face, I am going to use my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just going to be using the one that you saw earlier, and we're just going to set everything. Set the rest of my face. Whew, I'm thirsty already. I love these sparkling ice things, by the way. So good. All right, so we are done with foundation. Foundation set, everything is set. Yes, so we're moving on to eyebrows. And I actually just think I'm gonna do these off camera. I like to do my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil in the color dark brown. And yeah, all I really do is just fill in my brow. Let me see if I can do one on camera, because help us, Lord. I don't know. So you always want to brush your brow upward before you start to fill. And I see a hair I need to tweeze. There's one thing I'm going to do. The palette that I'm using has a little bit of fallout, so I am going to add a little powder up under my eye. Sometimes I have fallout and sometimes I don't, but I don't want to have fallout for the video, so I'm going in with the jacket. Anyway, love Jackie Aina. She came out with a palette. If you haven't already purchased this beautiful palette that I have dug all up in, baby, like ain't no color been untouched in this palette. So if you're liking my recent, like with like the past couple weeks, I got this palette when it first came out. If you've been liking my recent looks, this is the palette I've been digging in, dabbling in. It's Jackie. She did her thing on this look, and she really gave it like her own touch. Like, for people that follow Jackie Aina, you know that this palette is her, and I really like that. So without further ado, we're gonna dab right into it so we're all up close and personal. Anyway, I can't move my eyebrows, I don't know. So I'm gonna go in first with the color Ginger. This one right here. Whoo, I know you've seen this one right here. It's like the perfect transition color. I'm gonna get a different brush. Get a clean blending brush. And I'm gonna go right into my crease. I love Anastasia palettes. If you, my other worn down palette is the Soft Glam palette. So if you don't have it, I first suggest you get Jackie Aina palette, but if you want a more neutral palette that also has a black This one is my other favorite, which I've dug up in and tore up. But Anastasia just makes the best palettes to me. I don't care what anybody says. They do. Their shadows last forever. Like if you're going out, if I'm going out, that is a palette that I gravitate to. That. Oh. Y'all, perfect transition shade ever. So next color I'm going to go into is Edges, which is right here. It looks lighter on the camera than it actually does in person, but this is a little deeper. So I'm going to take one of my control tips and I'm going to go in the middle of my crease with Edges. And I'm taking this like controlled tip kind of brush. I'll see that. And I like to do that because like I said, I'm not a professional, so it actually lets me blend in the color where I want it without it being too crazy. And this one is highly pigmented too, so yeah, be careful. All her shades are, but yeah, be careful. You know what I'm saying? Don't go dipping dabbling because it can get real quick. Now I'm gonna go into Credit. It's this like burnt orange. It looks so much lighter on camera than it does. Now I see what makeup artists be talking about. Yeah, it looks lighter on camera. Credit is definitely a nice dark chocolate brown. So I'm gonna get a little bit of that and I'm gonna pack it onto like my outer V. Y'all see. And then I'm just going to, I want it to really show up. So I'm gonna pack it first on both sides. Ooh, y'all see that, right? Y'all see that that is happening right now. That's gonna happen and we're gonna allow it to happen. Ooh, that's what I wanted you to do. The damn thing. So I'm just gonna blend her out. Dang, that's a pretty, ooh, child, that's a pretty brown. This is like my favorite brown that this whole palette is just my favorite. So this is this green color that I am obsessed with right here on the palette. I'm gonna put it on with my fingers first, and then I'm gonna touch it up with the brush. So I want, I love this. This color is so pretty. So I literally just dab it on. And I'm acting like I just got the palette, y'all. I've already been amazed, but I've just never done it on camera before. And it just really, oh, child, yes, Lord. So I'm just taking this little flat brush here. And then I go in and just clean up around. Oh, yeah, just kind of make everything blend. And kind of give myself a cut. Not a real cut crease because I don't want it to be like cut, but I want it to be blended very well. Like right here, I kind of go in and touch that area up and kind of go in just so you have more control over your look. So next, this is my favorite part. I love to bronze. This does look lighter on the camera because my ring light, of course, but this is the color Mocha Mami from Fenty Beauty. If you don't have a bronzer, just get this one. I love this bronzer. I heard Prime Beauty came out with one, but this is the one I've been rocking all summer long. I'm also gonna line my upper lid with a liner as well. All right, so now that I am all lined up, I'm gonna go ahead and put glue on my lashes. I know I kind of waited too long to do all this, but I'm using the Naked Drama collection, the lash style Chiffon. I love this lash, it's one of my favorites. I'm gonna go ahead and get them glued down. Okay, while my lash glue dries, I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter. I've been using the KKW Beauty. I know it don't come from me. I love this palette. You can't tell me nothing about it. I used to use the contour in here, but I stopped contouring, so I don't really do it anymore, but we're going to highlight our face. I also like Angel's Artist Couture, but sometimes like if I'm in a rush, his are not, they are not rush worthy highlighters, because they can go 0 to 100 real quick. This blush is from Alamar Cosmetics, I think, and I got this, and this is another one. It's a blush trio. I don't use any of these colors over here, but I use this pink blush color. I got this in my BoxyCharm box as well, and I just kind of go over my cheek area. Okay, I was gonna go ahead and start my lips, but I think my lash glue is pretty much dry or drying, so go ahead and dab that on. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. So I'm gonna be using the BFF4 pencil from Shayla to line my lips with. Now, this is not one of my favorite liners or dark brown liners, but it works. Just simply because it has a little bit of red undertone in it. So I'm going in with, what color is this? Amazon? I think it's called Amazonian. I love this color with the green. I just think it looks so pretty, and this is like a pretty clay color. I like to line my bottom and then blot up. Yes. I like to give my lashes a time to kind of adhere before I go in. So I'm going to go in with my mascara on the bottom lash. Guys, I almost ended this video and forgot. You got to set this down, honey. So I'm going to go in with the Kiss Pro Touch Makeup Setting Spray. It's a long-lasting oil control. Looks like this. Love this stuff. I would use a lot of Kiss products because to me they do some of the same things as the other higher end products, but gives you more fabulous results. So I'm just setting the rest of my face. This is one of my favorites because I love how it mists. I used to use the e.l.f. one, but I felt like e.l.f. would just have me all looking crazy and stuff. So this is more of a mist, and it actually sets matte, so I don't have to go back in and like kind of blot. So yeah, I'm gonna go change my clothes. I'm gonna be back to give you guys the final look. All right, so this is the final look. I'm obsessed. My passion twists are holding up very well, especially for a 2-week update. I love the BFF4 liner paired with the Amazonian color from Maybelline. That is probably one of my favorite lipsticks to pair with that lip liner because they both have that kind of slightly red undertone. Everything else just works so well. You guys know I love the Jackie Aina palette. I've dug in it. If you don't have this, you guys need to check this out because it's amazing. It is amazing, especially if you're a woman of color. These colors pop so beautifully on your skin. They're pigmented, they're beautiful. Love everything about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever Get Ready With Me. I had so much fun making it. So if you want to see more videos like this for me, let me know in the comments down below. Also sound off on Instagram as well to let me know what you guys thought about this look. If you have questions on these passion twists, I'm gonna link that video up here up at the top. And again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a beat from your girl. All right, catch ya. Bye.